Hi everybody, I'm Wayne Lambert, the owner of and lead consultant with Lambert. This video is about our universal truth, our single organising principle, which is to analyse, plan, execute and sustain. This is the fourth phase, sustain. So, how do we evaluate specific wellness outcomes? As your organisation continues to commit to your health and wellness programme, your primary challenge will be to continuously measure the return on your wellness investment. It is important to note that this is where most companies start to wane. They lose momentum due to there being a big disconnect between what employers know are the benefits of wellness programs and what they're actually measuring. This is where we ensure your evaluation strategy establishes which elements of your program are working and those that need attention. Therefore, evaluation holds everything accountable for sustained success in the long term. 4 important steps now that I want to share with you where we help corporate wellness programs and companies. We will help to ensure that all your stakeholders remain engaged. We will help you to remain focused on the evaluation and program design. We will help you to gather credible evidence and justify your conclusions. We will also help you to use the findings and share lessons learned. Throughout the whole program, we focus on tracking of interventions, tracking of employee participation and intensity, and tracking of program costs. All data is used for making time-sensitive adjustments, and all findings and updates are shared company-wide. So it's time to decide. Is now the right time for you to commence your very own corporate wellness program and allow us to take the reins and guide you on your journey? If so, book your strategy call now by emailing us at info@lambertwellbeing.com. We look forward to helping you soon.